Hey everybody, Bjorn Barrett here. Welcome to my Flippin Tools video on Photopea. This is going to be a generic overview of Photopea that I'm trying to do pretty quickly. I'm going to make a few more videos that are going to go into specific features of this tool. First of all, Photopea is a website that you just go to, photopea.com. And it will bring you to this website. You can use it without login, so it is a very safe program to use with students. If you need to save items, you'll notice that it saves as a PSD file. If you want to save it and come back and re-edit it with all the layers and the features that you've added in there, and you just got to save that as you would using a regular program. Put it on the computer, put it on Google Drive, put it on thumb drive, one of those type of deals. It also has ways of exporting. Now, this program is probably one of the most powerful programs that I found for graphic editing that is not Photoshop. It has a lot of Photoshop-like features. So if you're used to something that high end, you will be able to pick this up pretty quickly. Probably not the best for the youngest kids out there, but it is, like I said, free, easy to use, doesn't require a login, so it is a very safe program to use for students under 13. When you go in here, you file, you can create new, and you'll notice it has specific widths and heights. You can set the background to transparent. It even has various pre-built sizing, such as a YouTube cover or a YouTube profile, hint, hint, if you're taking the Flippin Tools class. And go ahead and I'm going to hit create. Brings it up. You have many things you can do along the side. Here's my paintbrush. Whee! You have blur tools. You have text tools. You also have pen tools. So something that you will learn a little bit about in another video is the difference between pixel and vector. So it can handle both of those. On the right hand side here, you can expand these two menus out. Here is the history tool. So if I need to kind of go back and forth on the history, those are my undos. I also have undos up here, which is again a very Photoshop-esque feature. The other one is layers. As you can see, you have various layers that you can turn it on and off and work with, along with layer effects. So like I said, there is a lot of similarities between Photopea and Photoshop. Okay, and I think that is it. File, like I said, you can save as a PSD if you want to come back and save it with all of the layering and edits that you've made, or you can export it as a PNG or JPEG, or even SVG, or pretty much many different file types if you're putting it on the website or putting it out to print. Okay, I will look for a few more videos that will go over some specific tools within Photopea, but enjoy and explore it. And as always, never stop learning.